Welcome to this video on the power of manifestation. Today, I want to share with you the secret to making your desires become a reality. You see, since the day you were born, you have been unconsciously manifesting everything in your life. Every experience, every thought and belief has shaped your reality. However, as you have become aware of the concept of manifestation, you might think it's hard to use. But let me tell you, it's not. The difference is, earlier you were manifesting unconsciously, and now you are doing it consciously. And yes, it does require effort and patience. Think about the first time you cooked. It wasn't an easy task, was it? You had to be careful about the quantities, you had to watch a video or read a recipe, ask someone for help. But now, cooking has become second nature to you. In a similar fashion, when you start manifesting consciously, it takes time to change your assumptions and beliefs. You're conscious. Mind is a mind of logic and will find ways to accept or reject ideas based on the present circumstances. But your subconscious mind is not concerned with the present facts. Whatever gets imprinted on it gets manifested. So, to manifest your ideal, you need to persist in the assumption that you are already that person. When it becomes your dominant feeling, the attainment of your ideal is inevitable. You will know it's your dominant assumption when you stop thinking that you have to do it. Every time you affirm or visualize, you are changing your reality. That's why it's important to perform an imaginary act every day to show yourself that your wish has already been fulfilled. Your affirmations should be from the point of view of having already achieved your desire. For example, when manifesting money, instead of saying, "I want to earn X amount of dollars," say, "I effortlessly earn X amount of dollars, and I am wealthy enough to buy anything that money can buy." It's important to have fun with your affirmations and thoughts. Don't focus on the lack of money or the fear of it stopping. Instead, focus on the abundance and joy that money brings. If you follow this approach, nothing will stop you from manifesting your ideal. Just remember, it takes time and effort, but the results are worth it. So start today and shape your reality to match your desires. Trust me, this has worked for many others, and it will work for you too. Remember, your thoughts create your reality, so choose them wisely. One way to do this is to perform an imaginary act every day that shows your wish has already been fulfilled. Instead of affirming that you want money, affirm that you already have it. Speak as if you are already wealthy and earning money is effortless for you. It's also important to change your thoughts and emotions towards money. Don't focus on the lack of it or worry about what will happen if it stops coming in. Instead, focus on the abundance of it and have fun with your thoughts about it. Now, I must warn you, if you follow what I'm saying, nothing will stop you from manifesting your ideal. So, be ready for the changes that will come into your life. Remember, manifestation is not just about visualizing and affirmations. It's about changing yourself and your reality from the inside out. So, are you ready to start manifesting the life of your dreams? The choice is yours. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful for you.